In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track payments in HoneyBook, Payment History 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to look to see what's due, who owes what, and the status of each payment, all in one place. First, open your web browser and go to honeybook.com. This works best on a modern browser with a stable internet connection, so if something isn't loading, a quick refresh usually helps. Next, log into your HoneyBook account. Enter your credentials as you normally would. And if you're prompted for any security verification, like a code or an authentication step, go ahead and complete that. It's a quick extra layer of protection. As a best practice, avoid logging in on public Wi-Fi and never share your login details. Once you're in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Think of this as your command center. You'll see a snapshot of your activity and, most importantly for today, a navigation bar along the left side of the screen. That left bar is your primary navigation, and it's where you access the different areas of HoneyBook. From that left navigation, click Finance. This is the section dedicated to your money, invoices, payouts, and payment tracking. Under Finance, select Payments. This opens the page that consolidates your payment information. Here, you'll see your payments organized so you can quickly assess what needs your attention. You'll notice an outstanding view, which is where unpaid or upcoming items appear. There's also a filter option set to all by default, allowing you to narrow what you're seeing if you want to focus on a specific subset. The table includes key columns: due date, so you know what's coming up and what might be overdue, lead or client name, so you can immediately identify who the payment relates to, status, which tells you whether a payment is pending, processing, or completed, and amount, so you can see the totals at a glance. If you're managing a busy pipeline, it can be helpful to sort by due date to prioritize what needs follow-up first. Filters are useful too. Switching from all to a narrower view lets you zero in on exactly what you need. And if the list looks empty or incomplete, double-check your filters or date ranges to make sure nothing is hidden. That's it. You've navigated to HoneyBook's finance area and opened the payments view where you can clearly track what's outstanding, who it's tied to, the current status, and the amount due. Revisit this page regularly to stay on top of your cash flow and keep your records clean. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.